All right, we're continuing with the next bout, which pits Team Saudi Arabia against Team Tajikistan. Mohammed Alahmadi of Team Saudi Arabia in the blue corner, and Mukhammad Saidzoda of Team Tajikistan in the red. Okay, quick touch of gloves, and let's see, some decent strikes there from Saidzoda to the body. Decent kicks, tries to go for a takedown here. Solid defense from Alahmadi, using the cage actually to posture up, but only for so long. A nice job from Saidzoda quickly. Oh wow, lightning quick advance there to first side control and then to mount. Very, very nice work there by Saidzoda. Oh, armbar. Armbar attempt, that was slick. Russian style belly down, and wow, nice job from Tajikistan's Mukhammad Saidzoda. That was just a straight up grappling clinic. He immediately took him down and then tapped him out. And Team Tajikistan's Mukhammad Saidzoda with a lightning quick arm.